What is the best home remedy to stop drug addiction? You can detox in the comfort of your home if you want to stop your drug addiction. However, because drug addiction is often accompanied by physical dependence, an individual must first address their dependency and safely navigate the acute withdrawal period to break the cycle of drug addiction. Others may find home remedies to be effective, but this is extremely unlikely. There are no specific home remedies that have been proven to be effective in the treatment of drug addiction. Because of withdrawal symptoms, stopping drugs can be dangerous or even fatal. Someone who is addicted to drugs or alcohol should never try to quit on their own without medical supervision. Detoxing at home should only be done with the approval of a doctor or medical professional. Encourage a loved one who has decided to stop using drugs to do so with your help rather than on their own. This could have serious health consequences, and in some cases, it could be fatal. If you need help, you can reach out to us. We have a team of medical professionals who can help you navigate the best treatment options to overcome addiction. Call our 24/7 helpline number now. Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.